Someone in my Color My Life group asked about changing multiple entries at the same time when they've made a mistake in entering some information. And I was sure that this was possible, but then I couldn't find it. I kept digging around and I did find it. I knew there was a way. So anyway, the way you would do that, in her case, it was the manufacturer that she had entered differently for different products, and she had entered quite a few the way she didn't want. So I'm going to search for one that I know is entered in many different ways, and I would like to have it only in one way. So this is Tim Holtz, and I've got 3 different possible entries. I don't care which company he's associated with for various products. I just want things that are Tim Holtz. So I've selected all of the Tim Holtz over here. I want to edit multiple items. All I need to do is hover over the item and click the checkbox. You can see it turns purple. So I'm not going to go through and change all of these right now. Just showing you how it's done. You can see down here it says you have selected 6 items. I wish it was possible just to select them all. I don't believe that is. I'm just going to try that for a second. Now if I choose this, no, it's different. Let me try checking the checkbox, and I'll go down to the bottom and check another checkbox. That doesn't work. No, you have to literally check each of the checkboxes you want. So I'll go back to the beginning here and I'll do this again. I'll do like 3 or 4 of them. So now I've got 4 items selected. So if you wanted to select them all, you just go down your screen and select them one by one. It's better than making the changes one by one. And you've got some things over here. You've got tags. You can update the storage location. You can update the manufacturer, and that's what I'm going to do here. You can update the quantity that you have. You can add to a project. So you can take multiple items and add them to a project. Let's say you used certain paper, certain inks, certain dyes, certain stamps. In a project, you can select all of those and add them to a project. You can add them to a set. You can add them to a wish list, and you can delete them. So I'm going to go back here to the manufacturer and notice that there are, I forget what those are called. I'm just going to go back to manufacturer here, and I'm going to click this bubble. You can see that I'm about to change the manufacturer for each of these items. So now I'm going to click in the edit manufacturer value field, and I'm going to choose the one I want, and I'm going to save changes. These are all now set as Tim Holtz Ranger. I'll save those changes. And you can see there's a notification up here that tells you that the manufacturer has been updated successfully. And that's all there is to it. So you can update multiple items using this method.